Custard apple flowers are unique. Their female part matures before the male part. In the morning, when the petals are slightly open, the flower is female, and in the evening or next day morning, the petals are fully opened and the flower becomes a male, releasing pollen. So, when the female stigma is receptive in morning, but the male part has not yet released its pollen. By the time the male part releases pollen, the female stigma becomes non-receptive. Due to this delayed maturation of the male and female parts, the custard apple flowers do not pollinate themselves and need cross-pollination either from pollinators or by hand. Hand pollination can be done in two ways. Look for fully open flower, which is the male flower, and collect the pollen in a plate or jar in the evening. Then in the next morning, dip a paintbrush in the jar and poke it into the barely opened female flowers. It may happen that you may see both male and female flowers at the same time on the tree. One flower had opened fully in the previous evening while others are in the female state. So every morning lightly rub your paintbrush first into fully open flowers to collect the male pollens on its hairs and then poke the brush into those flowers which are barely opened. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.